Hello YouTube, this will be one quick review of my new Stihl chainsaw. This is the MS 230C. C means it is the quick tensioning system for the bar and chain and easy start mechanism. Okay, I will tell you the story. I was on the market to buy something between my MS-170 and MS-290. I was looking for a 250, but I couldn't find it new. I live in Greece and here is discontinued many years ago. But I find this one in brand new in one shop in Athens. It's same engine with the 250, it's a little bit less horsepower. I was not very happy that it is the C model. I would prefer to be the just 230, but it was what it is. So I bought it and I went ahead and changed the tensioning system, take it out. I don't like it. I don't like this plastic crap. I put a new cover, original OEM steel, I put a second bar stud, and I installed the kit for the side tensioning system. Now from this side, from the chain side, my saw it is the way I like it. I have prime bulb, and from the other side I have the easy start mechanism that I'm okay with that. Is no problem for me at the moment. The chainsaw came with a 45 centimeters or 18-inch bar, but currently I have on the bar from my MS-170, the bar and the chain. It's 3/8 chain, 50 gauge, and currently I run a full chisel chain, the Pico Super, on this chainsaw. It's 2010 made, and it is made in Germany. I'm still fan, but I don't like very much the newer Stihls that they end in one. For example, 231 or 211 or 251. I really like the ones with the zero. So now I own the 170, the 230C, and the 290, my big saw. I will start now. I started before, so it's warm. I want to demonstrate you how the easy start mechanism is working, because there is a lot of people who buy saws with this mechanism and they operate it wrong. Okay, I put this away. And basically what you do to start any Stihl chainsaw that comes with this easy start mechanism is you nicely pull the cord. At this moment that you pull the cord, you don't crank the engine. You only tensioning the spring inside the starter mechanism, and then the spring, after it gets tight, it releases and crank the engine for you. Okay, it's gonna be warm start, so I put in on position, chain brake. What you do is just pull the cord softly. I will do it one more time. Switch is on, chain brake is on. Softly pull the rope. Thank you my new MS 230CB-E with the side, the chain, the sprocket cover is the non-CBE. It's with side tensioner and the two bolts. I feel very much more confident with this setup. Thank you for watching. See ya.